guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on how I was able to achieve this beautiful pineapple hairstyle. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle with I just used one weave. If you have a coily weave at home, be it synthetic or whatever it is, you can definitely use it. I use this coily weave to achieve this style, and I only use EJ. What are you saying? I use this coily weave to achieve the style. I only use one bundle to achieve the style. And you know what? I didn't have to cut the weave. Like, I didn't have to cut it to get the length of the bang to be like this. You guys are gonna see how I was able to achieve it, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. If you do like this hairstyle and if you want to see more hairstyles, please support me by liking, subscribing, and also, oh my god, and also share. Please share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Now let's just get into the tutorial. Hi guys, so I'm gonna start by applying my virgin hair fertilizer. I'm not the type's gotta be in love. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'll be applying my Dax hair cream. So right here, I'm just gonna detangle my hair. So now I'm gonna spray some water on my hair, and then I'm gonna brush it as well. So I'll be using the jam gel, and also the other one is the cream of nature edge control or something. So I'm gonna write them in the description box below. So I'm gonna be using the jam first of all. After using the jam, then I'll just put a little bit of edge control, you know, just to slick it down very well. So as I apply it, I'm just gonna brush it. So right here, I'm gonna put my hair into a bun. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf on it. Then I'll do my makeup and I'll be back. I do my makeup, it takes me about an hour 30 minutes. So an hour to 2 hours later, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the scarf. So you guys can see it's dry, but it's not completely dry, but it's fine like this. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and attach the bundle on my bun with a pin. I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin, and then I'm going to start wrapping it round. So after wrapping it round, I'm gonna still secure the end with a bobby pin. Then I'm gonna take out a little part in front that is gonna serve as my bang. So instead of cutting it at this point, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna fold it up. You guys can see just folding it up, you know, to when I'm okay with the length, then I'm just going to use the bobby pin to secure that part like so. Make me believe that life could be better, that we can get back together. Come sit down, let's celebrate this love we found, 'cause we. Then now I'm gonna take the bun, just twist it a little bit and wrap it around. And then I'm gonna secure the bobby pin. True love's coming back in style. We'll be riding to my song. And yes guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this hairstyle. So simple and so easy to do and so beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today's video is gonna be another try on haul. If you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video